looks like Samsung's upcoming top foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, will have new AI features when it launches later this summer. Seen on X, frequent leaker Ice Universe suggested that the foldable phone would have new features and shared one that seems to improve hand-drawn sketches and notes. Based on the images leaked by Ice Universe, it seems that someone is sketching a structure inspired by Indian architecture from the 15th and 18th centuries. The AI feature then transforms the sketch into a 3D enhanced image using the notes provided by the user. Ice Universe responded to another user, mentioning that the S23 and S24 Galaxy phones might also get this feature in the future. The new AI feature on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be available before Apple introduces a similar function. The company mentioned in a recent blog post that it will optimize AI for its next foldable phones, likely the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Samsung EVP and head of Mobile R&D Office, Mobile Experience Business Won Jun Choi penned a blog post in which he confirmed that the company plans to further optimize the Galaxy AI experience for the upcoming foldable devices. He said, "Our foldables are the most versatile and flexible form factor in Samsung Galaxy, and when combined with Galaxy AI, these two complementary technologies will together unlock all new possibilities." Samsung's approach combines the instant response and privacy of on-device AI with the versatility of cloud-based AI. This ensures a balance between performance and security. One notable feature, Live Translate, will soon work with third-party messaging apps and support voice calls, keeping your data secure on your device. As neural processing units get more powerful, Samsung plans to move more AI features onto the devices themselves, promising faster and more private mobile experiences. Also, here we have a news related to the colors in which Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Fold 6 will come. According to well-known leaker Evan Blass, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will come in blue, mint, silver shadow, and yellow. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be available in navy, pink, and silver shadow. Besides the colors already mentioned, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will also come in crafted black, peach, and white. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have additional options in crafted black and white. These extra colors will only be available through Samsung's online store in certain countries. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 will come in crafted black, navy, pink, silver shadow, and white. The pink color option will be a first for the Galaxy Z Fold series. Samsung typically launches more subtle colors for the Galaxy Z Fold series and opts for bold and flashy colors for the Galaxy Z Flip series. It seems that Samsung is now starting to introduce more vibrant color choices for the Galaxy Z Fold series. As for the design, Ice Universe also talked about that on his X account. He said, "Samsung Fold 6 is just a square version of Fold 4 and Fold 5 without any substantial improvement. Consumers will soon see through this trick. No matter how Samsung decorates its camera appearance, essentially nothing has changed. It is still the same, and consumers are tired of it." Ice Universe also talked about the cameras of the Z Fold 5, seeing that many people still don't know the camera specifications of Galaxy Z Fold 6. "I'll emphasize at once, all its camera specifications, including front camera, rear camera, UPC, and aperture value, are exactly the same, and there is no change. Exactly like Fold 4 and Fold 5. So we are not going to see any changes in the camera department." Someone asked a question to Ice Universe, "What's the selling point of the Z Fold 6? Ice said, "The so-called AI." Ice Universe is 100% right in my opinion. Do you agree with this? We've been hearing rumors about a new Samsung foldable phone, but it's still unclear if it will be called the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim or Ultra. A usually reliable source, Ice Universe, seems to have given some information about this. The tipster shared on Weibo that Samsung is developing a Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, not an Ultra version. The Weibo post translates to, "It's not called Ultra because it's not Ultra, it's just thin." This indicates that the Fold 6 Slim won't have better specs than the regular Fold 6. Instead, it will be a thinner model aimed at being more portable. Ice Universe confirmed this while replying to a user's comment about the Slim's features. The tipster explained that the Slim won't have any downgrades, but it won't have any upgrades either. The trade-off for a slimmer design seems to be the lack of S Pen support. Ice Universe confirmed in another reply that the Fold 6 Slim won't be compatible with the S Pen. Samsung is making the foldable thinner by removing the digitizer needed for pen input, so this model won't support the S Pen. Perhaps most surprisingly, despite lacking upgrades or S Pen support, Ice Universe suggests that the Fold 6 Slim will be priced higher than the standard Fold 6. According to a previous report, the Fold 6 Slim will not be part of the upcoming launch event. Instead, Samsung plans to release the slimmer Z Fold 6 alongside the Galaxy S25 series in early 2025. Additionally, Samsung is working on the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Fan Edition and Z Flip 6 Fan Edition, which will aim at a more affordable foldable market. There are rumors that the next Galaxy Unpacked event will happen earlier this year, where the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 are expected to be revealed. With many rumors about the new foldable phone, people have high expectations for this release. It's a big chance for Samsung to set a high standard for all foldable phones this year. Samsung can't afford another minor upgrade like last year's Z Fold 5, which faced tough competition from the OnePlus Open and Google Pixel Fold. Here are the most talked about rumored upgrades for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. One problem foldable phone users often face, especially with notebook-style ones, is the strain on the inner display. Samsung made improvements in the Galaxy Z Fold 5 with a gapeless hinge, but the Z Fold 6 might go even further with a trademark application for IronFlex. The filing only mentions that it's related to a foldable OLED display panel and a foldable smartphone. From the name, it seems like it could make the display more resistant to scratches, including from constant folding. It would be even better if Samsung also boosts the brightness of both screens. Notebook-style foldable phones like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 need a lot of power for multitasking and gaming. Unlike the S24 flagship series, which uses two different processors, the Z Fold 6 will only use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, without any Exynos chips for other markets. This means no matter where you buy it, whether in the US or elsewhere, the Z Fold 6 will use Qualcomm's latest and best processor. It's a smart choice because this chip gives big performance boosts and battery improvements, as we've seen in phones like the Galaxy S24 Ultra and OnePlus 12. For 5 versions, the Galaxy Z Fold had a screen that looked taller than other tablets, but the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might change that. It seems like it will have a wider screen on the outside, which will make it easier to hold. Leaked videos and pictures show this change. By making the phone wider, it will be thinner when folded and unfolded. This change will also make it easier to use apps on the bigger screen inside. In addition to the aspect ratio change, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might also get a feature from the Galaxy S24 Ultra, a titanium frame. Since the phone is expected to be expensive, using this premium material makes sense. This change would make the Galaxy Z Fold 6 more durable. Instead of the aluminum frames Samsung has been using, titanium should be stronger and able to withstand drops and other damage better.
Samsung Galaxy AI.
AI has been a big topic in consumer tech lately, and it's likely to play a significant role in the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The recent One UI 6.1 update brought many Galaxy AI features, like generative edit and live translate, to older Galaxy devices, including the Z Fold 5. There hasn't been much information about new Galaxy AI features for the Z Fold 6 yet. It might get features related to flex mode like better multitasking, similar to the open canvas on the OnePlus Open. Exclusive Galaxy AI features could be a big selling point for the Z Fold 6, considering its high price. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.